Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa and today we will be working on my last custom order of the week, and it is a big flower wall hanging, and this is the third time I've made this, and every time is a little bit different because I use scrap yarn for everything. And I wanted to start out by showing you what I have finished, and it's not very much, but I finished the vines and everything that goes in between the flowers, and then I'm going to show you the yarn that I'm going to be using for the flowers. And everything I'm using is scrap yarn, so hopefully we can use up some of it. But first, I will be inserting a couple clips of me crocheting the vines and the small little curly vines because I did not take a video beforehand. But here are some of them. They're in this dark green color. They're super long. I've got a couple, I think I have 6 of them, but I got a bunch. Oh, there's another one and a super long one and a couple more in a different color. And then we have these curly little vines that I'm going to go in between the leafy vines, but I also have a few of those. So next I will be working on the flowers part that will be connected to all the vines, and I'm going to show you the colors that I'll be using for that. I have this dark yellow and brown, all scrap yarn. All of it is scrap yarn. But I have the dark yellow for the insides of some of the flowers and the brown for the inside of the inside of the sunflowers. Then I have this yellow for the sunflowers. I have orange for various different little flowers, red and blue and purple. This pink, mauve, purple. And lastly, I have white, which I have a couple other scraps of like cream, but I'm going to use these first. And if I don't need this white, then I won't use it. I'm going to use these up first. But I will be starting on making the flowers and all those. I will update you guys as I go along, and I will show you the progress along the way. So let's get started. Hello. So I wanted to come on here and give you an update on the flower wall hanging. I am almost done. I just have to do assembly, but I wanted to show you all of the flowers that I have completed. So I have this light purple color. So I have this light purple color. Okay, we have 6 of those. And I don't really have a reason for why I picked the number of the number of amount of each flower. I just kind of went with the flow. And I have 5 of this pink mauve color. And then I have this blue. And I have 5 of those as well. And then this, let me show you this beautiful red color in this shape flower. I also have 5 of those. Then I have 6 sunflowers. Little stack. Then I have 4 of these, this orange flower. I think it's called the Olivia flower. It's a tutorial on YouTube by Hooked by Robin. And then I have 5 of these white kind of daisies, I guess you could call them. But since this is a scrap yarn challenge and I showed you my yarn before, I will now show you the yarn that I have left over. I didn't use up full balls of yarn. I did use a little bit. I used some of the white up, but I'll show you what I have left over and we can kind of compare. So here's the colors that I used for the flowers and what I have left. So here's the yellow that I had. It was a little bit bigger before. Here's the white that I have left. I used the 2 smaller balls of yarn of white that I had. So I used that up. Here's the purple ball. I did use quite a bit of this. It was a lot bigger. And the same with the red. I was so close to using this up. But I'll probably just throw this in my actual scrap projects, like smaller scraps, compared to like this. This can maybe make a very small project, but I'm gonna throw that in there. So that almost was used up. The dark yellow, I used some of it. The blue, some of it as well. The orange, I used a pretty good amount. And the pink, I didn't use very much. That flower just didn't use a lot of yarn. And the brown, I used quite a good amount. So for an update on the scrap yarn and using it, I think I did pretty good. I didn't really use as much as I thought I was going to, but that's okay. And now I am going to assemble the whole flower wall hanging. I will update you guys when I am done with that. So I'll see you when I'm done.